Do the. This is Corinne, and she has very graciously helped decide a little bit.
More like begged you to let me be on your channel. LOL. I come to her and I'm like, hey, we should do this video, or we should do this video, we should do this video. And she's like, okay, come over.
Yeah,
Fine.
Okay, I'm just snapping. Today we are going to do the no mirror makeup challenge to get we don't have any mirrors in front of us. Why are we like this?
Cheers.
So,
oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so not ready. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, I know my face. I know my makeup.
you can do the.
It's fine.
It's
Yours
gonna
is
be
gonna
a
end up
disaster.
better.
It's gonna be a flippin' disaster. Like,
I'm gonna have fallout on my cheeks blended into my highlighter.
it's like all brown
with sparkle.
If you're new here, I'm Brianna. That's Corinne. Hi. She's a guest here on the channel. But if you're new, this is Brie Maquillage. Maquillage means makeup. And hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for every week we make a video. And hit the bell for notifications. And like this video. And comment down below. What should they comment?
You should comment.
The color of your bed sheets.
Do that.
Mine are teal.
Mine are
Hey. Uh-oh. What have we done?
Oh no! Mine is definitely this one.
Yeah, yours is the cleaner one.
I think mine just has
Why
more
is yours-
pigment.
why
Mine
is
is
yours-
more red. Pink?
Why is this? Yours is like a salmon, and mine's like an orange.
It's a true orange.
What the heck?
It's
Is that
a-
Ulta brand?
No, it's real techniques.
Conspiracy theory.
Oh,
I'm like looking
Sticky
for the
lip.
mirror.
I know, I'm like, okay, ready? Oh, she's starting with her eyes. I'm not. You know, I'm gonna dive into the disaster and start with my face. This is the same foundation that she's been using lately. It's
Yes.
the Wet n Wild foundation, Photo Focus
Photo
foundation.
focus. Mine's dirty and hers is clean.
Mine is in cream beige.
Mine's in soft beige.
Oh, look at us. Look. There's so many cheers that are gonna happen.
So many cheers. Okay.
Here we go, here we go.
The goal is to find a brush that isn't dirty. Which, you know, might never happen.
Okay.
I'm just setting my primer. I'm scared.
Oh, I want a mirror so bad.
Are you gonna do your eyebrows?
Oh my word! Oh no! I have to!
Death. Death.
I can feel them. I got lots of hairs.
I don't have any hair. This is gonna be a mess.
Oh, I'm so ready.
We're gonna do the basic biatch look that I've been doing because I know that is gonna save my life. Actually, no, we're not.
Yes! Yes! Get it! Slay it! It should involve blue.
No. Oh, hell no. Uh-oh. Dude, you can't tell me if this looks crazy.
Yeah, I was about to say, you can't tell me.
I love
if
when
I
you
need
put
to-
foundation on because you're like, first of all, it's flawless to begin with.
Aww,
And then when you put foundation, it's like, who dat?
okay, but
She's so pretty.
But isn't this a really good match? I feel like
Yeah.
this is a way good match, which is
Yeah.
crazy because all my brown sisters out there know that when you're like this in between, like sometimes you're super dark, sometimes it's winter and you don't see the sun. It's always hard to find a match, so you do end up doing the mix thing, which like beauty gurus are like, they always, sometimes they mix, but then they're like, this
Yeah.
isn't my color, but whatever. But anyways,
That's
I'm
me.
always-
This isn't my color, but we're going with it. Blend down the neck, everything's fine.
I'm just gonna blend the heck out of this and pray and pray.
That's what you just gotta do. All you gotta do is
I mean, that's what I do normally.
I hope this always praying. I'm just like cuddling my brushes.
You're the only. It's like your security
I'm
blanket.
so sad. I want a mirror. Oh, there's something something on my ceiling. It's like a scratch, and I thought it was a spider, and I about had a heart attack. It's fine, everybody. It's
Okay,
fine.
so something else that Bree and I use. Let me find it. Pause.
Let pause.
Is Age
Rewind.
Rewind. It's so easy to use. I love it.
Hashtag Tati made me buy it.
Seriously though,
How's it looking?
I can't tell you. Don't tempt me with telling you because I'm your friend and I'm gonna be honest. But I can't.
Girl, it's ugly.
Girl, stop!
Just trying.
You better stop!
You better stop.
I have rubbed this area like 4 times.
So
Coverage. I'm focusing so hard on trying to like get my like. Can you? I already feel insecure.
All we're doing is
already.
blending. All we're doing is blending. I'm crying. It's fine. Everything's
I
fine.
like to highlight right above my eyebrows.
Ash Wednesday.
What?
Sorry.
And then
They draw a little cross on your forehead
Oh,
in
yeah.
Catholic churches.
Okay, well, I did my nose and my forehead, and I do the corner of my lips because it gets dark a little bit. Like, I don't know, I have that darkness around my lips, and I like to brighten it.
I'm not telling you what I'm doing.
Okay, let me
Okay.
guess what colors you've used.
Okay.
You have used that one.
Which one?
This one?
No.
No, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, you've used that one. You've used this guy,
Uh-huh.
and you are using Obsessed.
Yeah, but so she guessed that I used that one, right? That one, that one,
That one
and that one.
and that one.
I've used these two, these two, these two.
The actual work that goes into makeup. You're wearing these colors.
You're
Actually,
wearing a purple? It's like 17 purples, but yes.
I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Okay. You better stop! Yeah,
Here's where it all goes down the hills.
I'm with all stress right
This is stressing me out more than my midterm that I have to take today that I haven't studied for.
now. Oh, yay!
It's film. So like, how much can I not know, right? Ooh, let me smell this.
Oh, it
It's
smells
the butter
so
bronzer.
good.
I've gone through the store like 80 times and never been able to find it.
Me neither, but I found it at this like dinky Walmart. So nice. I use it every day just because
It smells like summer. This is where we have problems.
Oh, girl! Good.
I used to do this in
Yes.
7th grade like every day.
Without a mirror?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because we would, I think we did our makeup like 17 times a day.
Right?
Like every single break, we were like, I'm gonna just touch up. And now I'm like, I'm doing my makeup one time and then never looking at my face
Setting
ever
spray,
again.
setting spray. Setting spray. Okay. So, eyebrows. This is where I usually do my eyebrows. I do my makeup in a weird order.
I
But
do
feel
my
like this is
eyes,
base.
face, then eyebrow.
It depends on what eye look I'm doing.
I know it! I felt it!
A smudge?
Uh-huh. On my eyelid.
Well, I guess you're just gonna have to
I
wipe
know it. I felt it. I felt it. I felt it.
I'm stalling so much because I'm so nervous.
The funny part is it probably looks like crap.
Okay, how am I gonna do this? I think I'm gonna do like a blind man's touching technique. I'm just gonna feel it out. So,
Just feel it out. Okay, here we go.
follow your heart. Just
We're gonna
feel it.
spatulize. Is this mine?
Okay.
More is more, guys. So, like my good friend Tati always told me, more is more.
More is more. Oh, I'm having. Okay. What am I even doing?
What am I doing?
Right? Feel so lost. Like, well, these are the places it should go. I'm not even gonna smooth it out.
Oh.
My eyebrows are always in point. It's like that person who always makes excuses for themselves. Like, they're like a singer. Oh, I can sing this better, except,
I
I
have
have a cold.
laryngitis.
Girl, don't be making excuses. That's
You
me right
can't do it. You can't do it.
Okay.
But that's just such a big brow pencil. Why would you do this to yourself?
I know. Oh my gosh, are you doing lashes or just the mascara?
My eyelash glue is black, so there's a mirror right there, and I'm like,
girl, I'd be so mad.
I'd be so mad at myself. This is a challenge. I can do this. You can do this. Just be strong.
I was thinking on the way over here how like as little girls, like you always talk about like playing with makeup. This is like the adult version of playing with makeup.
I know. Okay, hopefully that's blended. I did that for about 45 and a half years, so we're gonna see what it is.
Not as long as mine. I'm stalling AF because
On your eyes?
on everything because
On
I'm so
everything?
scared. That's what I usually like to do, but nothing's gonna work today.
There's a mirror.
In that,
I'm gonna just take it, and we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna hold it like this. Accountability.
look at you. Here is a beauty guru you can trust.
I ain't about to cheat.
So this is well, I don't think it's new, but it's new to me. Look, I haven't even touched that.
It's beautiful.
I'm gonna start in my eyes.
Oh. Ouch.
Can
just
you
kidding.
stop? You better stop!
You better stop!
I'm
Okay.
taking
Goodbye.
color. Oops. Was it? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. This trend needs to come back. This no makeup because this is hard.
No mirror makeup.
No makeup.
No
No
makeup.
mirror makeup. The trend needs to come back. Let's just not wear makeup anymore. Oh,
Two-Face is screaming.
I know. Shut up! Stop! I
Fantastic.
was so nice to Bree when she was putting on her eye makeup, but now she's making me nervous.
We know who's the nice person now.
Okay, but I really don't know. This is giving me so much. I don't know why I'm so nervous about this. Okay. Just in the outer part. I'm like gonna turn away from your eyes. I can't see all the mistakes I'm making.
I'm not doing. I'm just contouring my nose. I feel very, 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 very anxiety right now. Okay, blush time. Thankfully, blush is the easy part.
Yeah.
This is what I've been doing since I was 6.
I have lots of experience with blush. I've been doing it since I was
That's
6.
the only thing that we had in the little makeup kits. It was blush and lip gloss.
Right though? And they were all the same.
They were all the same thing.
All
and
like-
the lip gloss was just jelly, like petroleum
Literally
jelly.
petroleum jelly with color, and then when you put it on your lips, it was either
But
way bright
I
or
think
nothing.
the color was just the pan. The pan was colored and it was just petroleum jelly on top of it.
Wow, you are going so much. I need to hurry up.
You know what is great about makeup?
What?
It comes off. There it is. I was looking for this brush for like
Oh, there it
65 and a half years.
Palette.
Okay, there's a big mirror in this one.
LOL.
Oh wait, I have an idea. I'll just snap.
I have a towel.
I will just pop the
Oh.
pan out. It's one of those Urban Decay like build your own. So I have the pan. Who? Oh, it's my babysitter. It's like, who dat?
This is savage. It's okay. I have to comfort myself.
Everything will be fine.
Everything's gonna be fine.
Why are you nervous? I'm the one doing brows. We're never gonna find that again. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This is such a bad idea.
Isn't this is like the hardest thing you've ever done
Yep.
in your life?
Definitely. For sure. This right now.
Somebody says your life is not gonna get harder than this moment right here. From now on, you'll be fine.
Thank goodness.
Woo!
This is the hardest thing I have to endure. Sign me up.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This is just looking so good, I can tell.
I love it. I'm in love with it. Dang it, I told you what I thought. Oh,
I'm actually done after highlight.
Oh dear, we are in trouble.
Should I highlight super slowly?
Yeah.
Oh no! Why did I do that?
Bad idea, bad
I
idea.
hate my life. I hate it so much. I hate everyone. I hate you. I hate everything in the world. Crap! Whatever. So we're gonna highlight. Highlight makes everything better, right?
Yes. So which one do you use for
I
highlight?
use Beam.
That's right. I mean the name itself, Beam.
Beam.
I'm gonna go in with mascara, and guess what? It's another product that we both use. Boop.
I bet this is looking fly AF right now.
So doing bottom lashes is terrifying.
Ow. I actually just put mascara inside my eyeball. This is so stressful. I didn't think this would be so stressful, but it's very stressful. And now we have to do lips. Now I want to cry.
This is a great idea. Let's do our makeup without a mirror and then go out in public. Well,
Okay, we ready for the reveal?
I think we.
You ready? Oh, hey!
I was about to say during the video that I was upset at how good yours turned out, except your eyebrows. But look at your eyes.
Your eyes look good too.
Thank you.
I was making that face to throw you off.
I knew you were, because you're that person.
Oh, these highlighters, very many. Like
I know. And I was like, the highlight's on point. It's blinding me right here.
I have to fix these eyebrows.
Okay,
Gosh.
but I also misshot on my eyebrows, so you know.
But not as bad as this.
You're just braver than I am. That's what that means. Okay, well.
Julian's gonna be like, why are you wearing so much highlighter? Oh, you know.
I live for that highlight though. Imagine if we try to put on lashes. One's up here, one's down here. You're actually feeling
I'm
ourselves.
feeling myself.
I feel
I'm
cakey.
Feeling myself.
I want more
I'm
blush.
impressed. You look so good.
Thank you.
No mirror.
I'm
so good.
no. So
Like
you were
I would
doing
go
your-
out like this.
Aw, you're sweet. But you were doing your eyes, and I wanted to say to the camera so freaking bad that I was upset at how good and blended and perfect your eyes looked. And you used like 7 shadows, and I used 3. 4? 3. Oh.
So I'm gonna fix and then we'll outro. Oops. What did I have done? What did I have done? Thank you for watching this video. Tell me how you liked it. Okay, so just hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, comment. Shoot, what did we say?
Your bed sheets, the color.
Comment the color of your bed sheets, and we'll see you on the next Fab Friday. Bye!
Bye.